How to follow companies on LinkedIn. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. Open your preferred web application and at the top search bar type in linkedin.com. Once done, get logged into your LinkedIn account. You will see a page like this. Now first of all, make a list of the companies that you would like to follow. Once done, search for them. Make sure that you are searching for the companies that aligns your values and your belief. Once done, you will see the specific name of the page that you typed at the search bar. In order to follow this page, simply click on to follow. If you would like to view more details about this page, click on to view page. And once done, you will see other companies as well on your right hand side. These are all the pages that is affiliated by Amazon. If you would like to follow them as well, click on to follow, follow, and follow. And just like so, this is how you can do it. That wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.